Welcome to our video on woodworking machinery. Discover the tools that transform raw wood into stunning creations. From table saws to CNC routers, we'll explore how these machines enhance precision, efficiency, and creativity in woodworking. Whether you are a seasoned craftsman or a curious beginner, join us to learn about the latest innovations shaping the art and science of woodworking. Let's get started. Wood chippers are powerful machines designed to reduce large pieces of wood, such as branches, logs, and tree limbs, into smaller, manageable wood chips. These machines are widely used in landscaping, forestry, and biomass production. While wood chippers are invaluable tools, operating them and processing wood into wood chips present numerous challenges. These difficulties stem from the machine's complexity, safety hazards, environmental factors, and the physical properties of the wood itself. This section explores the operational challenges of wood chippers in detail, providing insights into the technical, safety, and logistical hurdles operators face. 1. Safety hazards and risks. One of the most significant challenges in operating a wood chipper is ensuring safety. Wood chippers are inherently dangerous machines due to their powerful cutting mechanisms and high-speed operations. The following safety hazards contribute to the difficulty of operating a wood chipper. A risk of entanglement and amputation. Wood chippers feature powerful in-feed rollers and sharp blades that can pull in branches at high speeds. If an operator's clothing, limbs, or other objects get caught in the in-feed mechanism, the results can be catastrophic, leading to severe injuries or amputations. Operators must remain vigilant and follow strict safety protocols, such as wearing fitted clothing and keeping a safe distance from the in-feed chute. However, maintaining constant awareness in a noisy, fast-paced work environment is challenging, especially during long shifts. B. Flying debris. During operation, wood chippers can eject wood chips, splinters, and other debris at high velocities. This poses a risk to the operator and nearby workers. Protective gear, such as safety goggles, helmets, and heavy-duty gloves, is essential, but debris can still find its way through gaps in protection or strike unexpectedly. Managing the trajectory of ejected material by adjusting the chipper's discharge chute adds another layer of complexity to the operation. C. Noise exposure. Wood chippers generate significant noise, often exceeding 100 decibels. Prolonged exposure to such noise levels can lead to hearing loss if proper ear protection is not worn. However, ensuring consistent use of ear protection among all workers, especially in hot or uncomfortable conditions, can be difficult. Additionally, high noise levels make communication challenging, increasing the risk of misunderstandings or missed safety signals. D. Operator fatigue. Operating a wood chipper requires sustained physical and mental effort. Feeding branches into the machine, monitoring its performance, and clearing jams demand constant attention. Fatigue can set in during long shifts, reducing an operator's alertness and increasing the likelihood of accidents. Managing operator fatigue through regular breaks and shift rotations is essential but can disrupt workflow and productivity. 2. Mechanical and technical challenges. Beyond safety concerns, wood chippers present several mechanical and technical difficulties that complicate their operation. These challenges require operators to have a deep understanding of the machine's components and maintenance needs. Frequent maintenance requirements. Wood chippers are subject to intense mechanical stress due to the nature of their work. Blades dull quickly, belts wear out, and hydraulic systems can develop leaks. Regular maintenance, such as sharpening blades, checking hydraulic fluid levels, and inspecting rollers, is critical to keep the machine running smoothly. However, performing maintenance in the field, often under time constraints, is challenging. Operators must carry specialized tools and spare parts, and unexpected breakdowns can halt operations entirely. B. Jamming and clogging. Jamming is a common issue when operating a wood chipper, particularly when processing wet, green wood or material with excessive leaves. Jams occur when wood gets stuck in the infeed chute or cutting chamber, stopping the machine and requiring manual intervention. Clearing a jam is time-consuming and hazardous, as operators must shut down the machine, lock out the power source, and carefully remove the obstruction. Preventing jams requires careful feeding techniques, but even experienced operators can struggle with unpredictable wood types. See blade wear and replacement. The cutting blades in a wood chipper are subject to rapid wear, especially when processing hardwoods or wood with embedded dirt or rocks. Dull blades reduce the machine's efficiency, resulting in uneven chip sizes or increased power consumption. Replacing or sharpening blades requires technical expertise and can be time-intensive. Operators must monitor blade condition closely, but determining the optimal time for replacement is often a balancing act between productivity and maintenance costs. D. Fuel and power management. Wood chippers, particularly those powered by diesel or gasoline engines, require careful fuel management. Running out of fuel in the middle of a job can cause significant delays, especially in remote locations. Additionally, operators must monitor fuel quality to prevent engine damage. For electric chippers, ensuring a stable power supply and managing extension cords or generators adds another layer of complexity. Balancing fuel or power needs with operational demands is a constant challenge. 3. Wood variability and processing challenges. The physical properties of the wood being processed significantly impact the difficulty of operating a wood chipper. Wood is a natural material with inherent variability, and these differences create operational hurdles. A wood type and hardness. Different tree species have varying levels of hardness, density, and fiber structure. Hardwoods like oak or maple require more power to chip than softwoods like pine. Operators must adjust the chipper's settings, such as feed rate or blade angle, to accommodate different wood types. Failure to do so can lead to jams, blade damage, or excessive wear on the machine. Identifying and sorting wood types before processing is time-consuming and may not always be feasible in mixed wood piles. B. Moisture content. The moisture content of wood affects its behavior in a chipper. Cream, freshly cut wood is heavier and more flexible, making it prone to clogging. Dry wood, on the other hand, is brittle and can produce more dust or splintered chips. Operators must adapt their techniques based on moisture levels, but predicting moisture content in a pile of wood is challenging without specialized tools. Seasonal variations, such as wet spring wood versus dry autumn wood, further complicate the process. See branch size and shape. Wood chippers have specific capacity limits for branch diameter and length. Feeding oversized branches can damage the machine or cause jams, while irregularly shaped branches may not feed smoothly. Operators must pre-process large or awkward pieces by cutting them into manageable sizes, which adds time and labor to the operation. Balancing efficiency with machine safety requires skill and experience. D. Foreign objects in wood. Wood often contains foreign objects, such as nails, screws, or rocks, that can damage a chipper's blades or internal components. These objects are particularly common in urban settings, where trees may have been used for fencing or construction. Detecting and removing foreign objects before feeding wood into the chipper is critical but challenging, as they are often embedded or hidden. Operators must remain vigilant and stop the machine immediately if unusual noises or vibrations occur. 4 environmental and logistical challenges. The environment in which a wood chipper is operated and the logistics of managing wood chips add further complexity to the process. Weather conditions. Weather plays a significant role in wood chipper operations. Rain can make wood slippery and harder to handle, while wet conditions increase the risk of jams. Extreme heat can cause engines to overheat, and cold temperatures can affect hydraulic systems. Operating a chipper in adverse weather requires additional precautions, such as covering the machine or adjusting work schedules, but these measures can reduce efficiency. B-site accessibility. Wood chippers are often used in remote or uneven terrain, such as forests, rural properties, or construction sites. Transporting a heavy chipper to these locations and setting it up on stable ground is challenging. Narrow access roads, steep slopes, or muddy conditions can complicate equipment movement. Operators must assess site conditions carefully and may need to use additional equipment, such as trailers or cranes, to position the chipper. See chip collection and disposal. Once wood is processed into chips, managing the output is another hurdle. Wood chips accumulate quickly and must be collected, stored, or transported. Depending on the chipper's discharge system, chips may need to be directed into a truck, trailer, or pile. Ensuring proper chip containment prevents environmental issues, such as littering or clogging drainage systems. However, coordinating chip collection while maintaining continuous chipping operations requires careful planning. Deregulatory compliance. Operating a wood chipper may be subject to local regulations, such as noise ordinances, emissions standards, or permits for wood disposal. Compliance with these regulations adds administrative burdens to operators, who must stay informed about varying rules across jurisdictions. Failure to comply can result in fines or work stoppages, further complicating operations. 5. Operator skill and training. The complexity of wood chipper operations demands a high level of skill and training. Inexperienced operators are more likely to make errors that lead to accidents, machine damage, or inefficiencies. A learning curve. Operating a wood chipper effectively requires hands-on experience. New operators must learn how to feed wood correctly, adjust machine settings, and troubleshoot issues. The learning curve is steep, and mistakes can have serious consequences. Providing comprehensive training programs is essential but can be costly and time-consuming for employers. B. Decision-making under pressure. Operators often face split-second decisions, such as whether to stop the machine during a jam or how to handle an oversized branch. Making the right choice under pressure requires experience and confidence. In high-stress environments, even seasoned operators can struggle to balance safety, productivity, and machine longevity. See team coordination. Wood chipper operations often involve multiple workers, such as those feeding wood, collecting chips, or maintaining the machine. Coordinating tasks among team members is critical to avoid accidents and ensure efficiency. However, miscommunication or lack of teamwork can lead to delays or safety incidents.